Yes, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my dear Chintus. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. எப்படி இருக்கீங்கடா? How is it going, my dear Chintus? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are excited for this session as well. Okay, so in the last class we discussed trigonometric equations. Okay, wow, lot of basics I have discussed. Okay, in the same manner, with the same energy, with the same excitement, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது trigonometric equations தான், but part 2. சரியா? So okay, so now let me write over here, then part 2. Okay, part 2. Yes, those who have not watched part 1 da kandipa part 1 refer pannida, so part 2 solve panna mudiyum. Okay va, part 2 la fullame majority of the things will be like question solving. Okay va, so part 1 la basics I have discussed, lot of basics na discuss panniteda. So part 2 la and fullame questions da. Okay, 85% is questions only. Okay va, so I thought of finishing the entire entire chapter in one video and one lecture, but adu vandu konjam it was kind of impossible task. Okay, so that is the reason I just took this chapter in two parts. Okay ba, yes PV R King, I remembered da, I remembered. Yes, good evening, good evening, good evening everyone, good evening da. Yes. Okay, so and inaki advanced results vandiruchida. Your seniors have rocked it. Okay, so really very happy for your seniors, and see, for you guys also it is going to be the same, I'm sure, but stay tuned. The time waste பண்ணாதீங்கடா. So in the time la you should not give any sort of excuses. Okay va, anga போணும், இந்த function attend பண்ணனும், அந்த function attend பண்ணனும். Okay va, school bunk பண்ணி, okay movie க்கு போணும், okay games விளையாடணும். See, all this you need to put a police stop da. Okay va, you pass all this for some time. So once you done with your all JEE exams, you can just do whatever you want. சரியா? So அப்போ enjoy பண்ணிக்கலாம். You can just go have fun around friends. You can go play every single day. Okay va, once you get into good college, okay NITO IITO நல்ல காலேஜ் வந்துருச்சுனா, the college குள்ள நிறைய ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும்டா. club activities இருக்கும், sports இருக்கும், except mom and dad, everything will be there. சரியா? நல்லா இருக்கும் life. Okay, so you also have to rock it. Yes, நம்ம எல்லாம் ஒண்ணா சேர்த்தி we will rock it. சரியா? So I will be with you guys till your final exam. So நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், just cooperate. Whatever we ask you people to do, அது வந்து கண்டிப்பா okay delay பண்ணாதீங்க. Okay, without delay you need to finish every task we give da. Okay va, and also நீங்க மறக்காம கண்டிப்பா இந்த செஷன் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணி, so அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பெனிஃபிட் ஆயிரும்டா. Okay va, if they are watching, definitely all the backlogs will be cleared. So in the time la, so it will be really very useful content for you and for your friends. Okay, and at the same time for your juniors as well. Okay va, sir please don't stop bringing advanced questions also sir. Definitely advanced questions you kandipa da. So start panname advanced question panna mudiyadu. Okay, so first let me finish the concepts, eventually then mains level and advanced level all type of questions kandipa solve panningala da. Okay, kandipa solve pannikala. Okay va, so nee vandu romba consistent ah daily practice பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? so straight mains questions போடாம to direct advance போட்டுக்கலாமா அப்படினா மைண்ட் அந்த மாதிரி மைண்ட் செட் இருக்க கூடாது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க மெயின்ஸ் லெவல் finish பண்ணி அட்வான்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், simultaneously advance solve பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? so mains if you are doing all like last 5 years PYQs da, so I feel somewhere ஒரு சாப்டருக்கு 150 questions ஈஸியா கவர் ஆயிரும்டா. so ஒரு சாப்டர் லாஸ்ட் 5 years PYQ சால்வ் பண்ணா 150 questions ஈஸியா கவர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். And the 150 questions will give really massive command over the concept and the chapter. Okay va, so on the 150 questions solve panna alukku like advance is like, I mean I won't say very easy, but definitely you can score very good in advanced exam too with a little preparation, with the proper guidance. Okay va, yes or no? Okay, ready? Okay. sir still nearly 575 days for JEE means January. Day நீங்க வந்து அப்படி days count பண்ணாதீங்கடா. So about June start ஆயிடுச்சு. June, July, August, September, October, okay வா, November, December, okay வா, maximum 7 months you have டா, maximum 7 months. அதுல holidays வரும், school practicals வரும், okay, record work வரும், Diwali, Dasara, Christmas, okay, New Year, எல்லாத்த all this delete பண்ணா, all this exclude பண்ணா எவ்வளவு நாள் இருக்கு பாரு, எவ்வளவு நாளைக்கு அப்படி கவுண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே 575 டேஸ் இருக்கா, ஓகே ஜாலியா பண்ணிக்கலாம் சார் அப்படின்னா வராது. அப்படின்னா அப்படி கால்குலேஷன் நீங்க அப்படி பண்ணாதீங்கடா, தயவு செஞ்சு அந்த மாதிரி கால்குலேஷன் போடாதீங்க. பட் ஜஸ்ட் see how many days we will study productively. அது மட்டுக்கு பார்த்துட்டு you need to plan your schedule accordingly. ஓகேவா? So that is very very important. சும்மா 575 days or அப்படின்னா இருக்காது. It's not 575 days. Okay. Yes, will you put videos? Ama, definitely. Sir, also after putting all JEE main, will you take us next level, sir? Please, sir, your fan. So 2 years only there, right? Yes, mindset. Definitely. Okay, wow. Yes. Now, let's begin the show now. Chalo, let's get into the show. Okay. So before getting into that, so for this 90% scholarship test, okay வா, book a visit for the nearby VLC center டா. இதுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கீழ லிங்க் இருக்கும்டா, போய் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணி you get the benefit of this. Okay, and yeah, so please, this guy got 99.92 percentile in mains. For this same guy, he got a very good rank, I think 1140 rank advanced la. Okay வா, so கண்டிப்பா IIT Madras ல ஏதோ ஒரு சீட் கண்டிப்பா வரும்டா. I mean mechanical, chemical is a high possible. Okay, electrical konjam I think he is in the border. Okay, but IIT Madras kandipa varum, he is from Chennai da. Okay, so very happy for him, because I just spoke to this guy when the mains results was about to announce. I was about to go to his house. Okay, due to the results have they cancel, they postponed the result date, right? So that is the reason I couldn't go, but it's really very happy for this guy as well. And see, this guy also studied in Vidyal for 2 years now. Okay, so I hope every one of you prepare sincerely. See, he did not do anything different. Study every single day, and exam ku enna thevayo adha padikkanum. Okay va, Einstein mari, okay, romba jaasthiya think panni edo theva illame adu padikalama, idu padikalama, and book refer pannikalama, இந்த book refer pannikalama, அப்படி confuse complexity create பண்ணாதீங்கடா. Okay va, just follow what master teacher says. Okay, daily DPP follow panni, daily questions solve panni. DPP na whatever questions we give, main those who are taking drop year da kandipa nee vandu PYQs ku mela PYQ அப்படி போட்டா தான் உங்களுக்கு you get a massive command over the concept and chapter. Okay, hope you also will do and follow the same and make us proud, make your parents proud, make Vedantu proud. Sariya, so we will rock it, and we are here for you guys. We'll make it happen. Okay, chalo. Now, see, I want every one of you to subscribe the channel. Okay, this is must and should. Okay, and the trigonometric equations part 2. Part 2. Okay, sir, we have seen few things. Okay, half of the trigonometric equations over the, so rest of the things I am going to discuss today. Okay, so what did we discuss in the last class? I think we discussed this. Yes or no? We discussed this question, and then yeah, I think till this we discussed. Okay, so next type we will do it. So what will be the next chapter? So limits da. Next chapter on the limits. Da. Okay, so yaarku limits la doubt irukum, they have to come and then join and then get benefit. Okay, right. Hi Sham. See guys, next form enna paadi. See, whenever we have trigonometry of the form, see, trigo equation of the form a cos x plus or minus b sin x is equal to c. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்க ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி மாடிஃபை பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ணணும்? ஓகேவா, இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்க ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி மாடிஃபை பண்ணணும், and how do you use in an equation. சரியா? So for example, I'll just tell you one simple example. Okay, well, let's say I'm giving something like sin x, okay, plus cos x is equal to, I'm giving, ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்துருச்சு. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கால்குலேஷன்ஸ்க்கு நடுவில் இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டெப் வந்துருச்சுடா. ஓகே, இந்த ஸ்டெப் வந்துருச்சு. இப்போ இது எப்படி மேனிப்புலேட் பண்ணி we need to take it further. ஓகேவா? that is very important. பாரு, இந்த A பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1, B பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன? A பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1, B பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 and C பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2. நடுவுல plus or minus can be there. Okay, so now நான் என்ன பண்ணணும்? இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டெப் whenever you get this, always multiply and divide. Okay, always என்ன பண்ணணும்? multiply and divide by root 2. multiply and divide by root 2 பண்ணா எப்படி வரும் பாரு? multiply divide by root 2 பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? root 2 கிடையாது, சாரி, இங்க root 2, but multiply divide with what? square root of a square plus b square. சரியா? சரி, இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா a value 1 b value 1 டா. so multiply divide with root 2 பண்ணா என்ன வரும் பாரு? so multiply and divide with root 2 பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? see, I will write multiply with root 2 and divide with root 2 per sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x is equal to 2. Per, so now can I write this guys per root 2? Can I write this as cos 45 and sin x plus sin 45 and cos x. Per, இது எப்படி இருக்கு? sin a cos b plus cos a sin b மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லையா? So can I write this as, tell me, sin of x plus by 4 எழுதலாமா? Tell me now. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. See, this is in the form of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So that is what basically sin of a plus b compound angles formula. Already நீங்க படிச்சிருப்பீங்கடா trigonometric ratios and identities la. Okay, இது expand பண்ணா திருப்பி இது வரும். Okay, so now tell me, in the sin of x plus 4 is equal to what? Sin of x plus root 2 cancel பண்ணா இங்க root 2 வரும். Okay வா? So sin of x plus pi by 4 is equal to root 2 வந்துருச்சு. Now I can just take it further. So they will be giving condition. Based on the கொடுத்த condition, we need to take this further. Okay வா? First we'll see one p by q நமக்கு நல்லா புரியும். Okay வா? So hi Prakash, hi sir, will that equation be satisfied? Sin cos sin theta cannot give a value. Yes, wait Babu, I'll tell you that. You can take something Babu, you can take something x. It can be 1 and 1, no problem. Let's say 1 by 2. Okay, whatever, it can be any number here. It can be any number. Are you getting the point? It is 1 by 2 for example. Okay, wow. If 1 by 2 now, you can take any number, any number, no problem. See, so if I take this, okay, one nimission. Okay, so if you want to take 1 by 2, you take 1 by 2, no problem. So now kilo 1 by 2 root 2 pari. It can be something like this. Okay, so it can be something like this. So இப்படி தான் manipulate பண்ணனும். So இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்தா what we need to do, divide with and multiply with a square plus b square with root. அப்படி பண்ணா இப்படி நீட்டா கன்வர்ட் ஆகி calculation become much easier. ஒரு py க்கு பாத்துக்கலாமா? Okay, let's see one question. இத நான் ஆச்சு ஒரு நிமிஷம். Okay, yes. Okay, yes sir. So ஒரு question பாத்துக்கலாமா? See, let's see this. இங்க பாருங்க. So let s is equal to this, theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, tan of this plus tan of that is equal to 0, then sigma theta belongs to s. S means what? This set. Okay, wa sin square of theta plus alpha plus pi by 4 is equal to dash. Sin square கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா, sin square. So நல்லா பாரு, this is a very good question. Okay, sir, everybody should do this question carefully da. Okay, everybody should do this question carefully. What I should do, tell me here. Tan of this given da, tan of this given. Sir, adjust your mic one time please sir. Okay, can you not hear me guys? Guys, your voice கேக்குதா கேக்கலையா? Can you all hear me? Okay, adjust my mic. என்ன voice நல்லா தான கேக்குது? Just a minute guys. I think you all can hear me clearly. There shouldn't be any issue because see guys, voice nallava kekudra, please. Now okay, voice clear only. Yes, everybody look at the board guys. Idu eppadi pandrathu, eppadi start pandrathu paru. See, tan of this plus this is equal to 0 given da. So can I start like this? Tan of pi cos theta is equal to minus tan of, can I write like this? Do you agree with my point? Sir, now isn't it looking like tan of alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha mari irukka illaya? Tan theta is equal to tan alpha mari irukka illaya? Sir, இங்க வந்து மைனஸ் இருக்கு சார், எப்படி சார் பண்றது? சார் now I can write like this. Look at the board. Everybody look at the board. Hello Chintu. Yes sir. இங்க பாரு, இந்த மைனஸ் வந்து உள்ள கொண்டு வரலவா பாரு. so tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. இப்போ பாரு இது என்ன tan theta மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லையா? இது என்ன tan theta மாதிரி. tan theta is equal to alpha. Let us take this guy as theta. Let us take this guy as alpha. so நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்டா? tan theta is equal to tan alpha என்ன? theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to what? Basically integer. Hi Arivarasu, where were you Arivarasu? How are you Arivarasu? Chintu, hello sir. Everybody look at the board. Now n belongs to what? Integer here. So pi cos theta plus pi sin theta is equal to n pi da. Okay va? Now can I take pi common and cancel it? Pi. Okay, இங்க பாரு, நல்லாவே பாரு. cos theta plus sin theta is equal to n. Okay va? எனக்கு என்ன தெரியும்டா? cos theta plus sin theta ஓட range என்ன பாரு? cos theta plus sin theta ஓட range என்ன? This guy will be lying from minus root 2 to root 2. Okay va? a cos theta plus b sin theta ஓட range என்ன? minus square root of a square plus b square comma square root of a square plus b square. அந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணா minus root 2 to root 2 வந்துருச்சுடா. ஓகேவா? அப்ப n என்ன இருக்கணும்டா ரெமி? obviously n belongs to integer here. ஓகேவா? n belongs to an integer. அப்ப what are the possible values of n? இப்போ n என்ன integer எடுக்கணும்? tell me. n can be 0, n can be 1, or you'll write n can be minus 1, 0 and 1. tell me. Yes or no? Guys, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to n da. sin theta plus cos theta ஓட range என்ன? minus root 2 to root 2. கரெக்ட்டா? இப்போ இந்த minus 1.414 to 1.414 க்கு நடுவுல இருக்க நம்பர், that to integer என்ன? minus 1, 0 and 1. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? so integer தான் எடுக்கணும். so that is going to be what? minus 1, 0 and 1. no problem Arivarasu ji. Total how much you got Arivarasu? Arivarasu saying that 42 you got in advance. 42 is good score only Dari. Don't worry. Okay ba? Now we need to do one by one. See. Now what I am going to do? Look at the board everyone. So I'll do one thing. Here pari. Sir, everybody look at the board. Everyone, hello, yes sir. Okay. Okay, so tell me here. Now sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 0 one time. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to minus 1 one time. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 one time. Yes or no da? So first 0, 1, minus 1. So 3 possibilities we need to write like this. Okay va? Hi. Vijaya Ranjini, Vijaya Rani, hi. No problem, it's okay. So there are a lot of opportunities. So don't feel bad. It's okay. So tell me here, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 0 ஆகணும். Within the range. என்ன rangeல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. Tell me. Hi Sham. How are you Sham? Okay va? Sir நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி we need to divide and multiply with what? root 2. Hi sir. Okay, multiply and divide by root 2 பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? So இதென்ன வரும்? 1 by root 2 sin theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta is equal to 0. Okay va? This root 2 as it is done. So sin a, the cos 45, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, math lover ji. Idana sir, sin of theta plus pi by 4. This sin of theta plus pi by 4 allama is equal to 0. இப்போ என்ன ஆயிரும்டா? sin of theta plus pi by 4 வந்து 0 ஆயிரும். கரெக்ட்டா? sin of theta plus pi by 4 வந்து 0. So now same way, this can be written as sin of theta plus pi by 4. பாரு, இதனடா root 2 as it is, வெளிய root 2 as it is, உள்ள sin of theta plus pi by 4 எழுதலாமா? 100% sir is equal to 1. அப்போ என்ன? sin of theta plus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. புரியுதா? 1 by root 2. Similarly tell me here, இதென்ன? minus 1 by root 2, sorry, minus 1 by root 2. Okay, minus 1 by root 2. So sin of minus 1 minus 1 by root 2. So sin of theta plus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Same case. Okay, so nalla paru. So from this I got this. Clear up? Everybody look at the board guys. Everybody look at the board. Calculation konjam careful ah irukanoda. Okay, calculation konjam careful ah irukano. Okay, yes sir. Now look at the board everyone. So see, multiplied and divided by root 2. Okay, அப்படி பண்ணா sin of theta plus pi by 4 வந்து 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. So now sin of theta plus pi by 4 வந்து 0 here. Okay, இங்க வந்து 0 டா. So அங்க வந்து 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. கரெக்ட்டா? Yes or no? Now clear ஆ பாரு. So what they have given that theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. But எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Theta plus pi by 4 வேணும். So everybody look at the board. Theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. ஓகேவா? அப்போ theta plus pi by 4 என்ன வரும்? pi by 4 வந்து ஆட் பண்ணனும். pi by 4 ஆட் பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? pi by 4 ஆட் பண்ணா pi by 4 0 plus pi by 4 pi by 4 2 pi plus pi by 4 9 pi by 4 9 pi by 4 புரியுதா? yes or no? So pi by 4 to 9 pi by 4 ல sin எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் 0 ஆயிடும்? pi by 4 to 9 pi by 4 ல sin எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் minus 1 by root 2 ஆயிடும்? pi by 4 to 9 pi by 4 ல sin எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் 1 by root 2 ஆயிடும்? we need to find out that, and அது find out பண்ணி solution find out பண்ணி we need to square and add it. Be careful. Okay va? No problem Arivasu ji, it's okay Arivasu. It's okay Arivasu. Chintu, look at the board Chintu. Look at the board everyone guys. Hello everyone. So it is 0 da. Pi by 4 means somewhere here da. It is pi by 4 correct ah? Pi by 4 வந்து இங்க இருக்குடா. So pi by 4 ல இருந்து zoom இப்படி போயிடும். இப்படி பாரு. So pi by 4 ல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடும். So pi by 4 இது 2 pi. Okay. Pi by 4 plus 2 pi. Pi by 4 plus 2 pi how much? 9 pi by 4. One full circle. Pi by 4 to 9 pi by 4. Pi by 4 க்கு 2 pi add பண்ணாதா? So 9 pi by 4 will come here. Yes or no? Sir, why are you taking classes for free and put this much effort, sir? Love you. Love you too, the math lover. Thank you. Guys, we will be here to help our students to get into IITs and NITs. Okay. Yes or no? Tell me here. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும்? pi by 4 வந்து இங்க ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடும்டா. pi by 4 to 9 pi by 4. 9 pi by 4 என்ன? pi by 4 க்கு 2 pi add பண்ணா 9 pi by 4 வரும். So now what I am saying, everybody should listen the class. Okay. So இதுல 0 sin theta plus pi by 4 0 எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் வரும்டா? Tell me how many times it will be 0 here? Sin 1 time 0 here, 1 time 0 here. So this will give us 2 solutions. How many solutions? 2 solutions. Okay, wow. This will give us 2 solutions. Correct? At what? Sin 0. Okay, wow. So it is 0 aichina. This will be 0. Yes or no? At pi also. At this point and this point. So we will get what? 2 solutions. Now tell me here. Sin negative. Sin negative which quadrant? Sin negative which quadrant? Obviously third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Again I'll get 2 solutions. Here one solution, here one solutions. Okay, wow. We get 2 solutions here. Okay, sin positive என்ன quadrant? Sin positive என்ன quadrant? நல்லா பாரு. Sin positive in the quadrant and in the quadrant. Again 2 solutions. Okay, but this also will give us 2 solutions. Total 6 solutions varunda. Idhara solution total 6 solutions. 2. Okay, wow. Total 6 solutions will be there. Are you getting the point or not, Chintu? Purida Ilya. What are prerequisites for limits? I will teach everything from the basic. Don't worry. Tell me, did you all understood this? Did you all understand this or not? இது எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சிச்சா இல்லையா? டக்காடக் ஃபட்டாஃபட் சொல்லுங்க. ஓகேவா? டக்காடக் ஃபட்டாஃபட் சொல்லணும். Did you all get the point? Answer is more than 2 pi but less than 4 pi. Oh, Chintu correcta solrare. Okay, so pi by 4 include panna pare. Here will be notch. Pare we started with pi by 4, 9 pi by 4 include 9 pi by 4 pare. 9 pi by 4 kit notch because we are not including 9 pi by 4. Correct or not? Answer 0. No. Nalla pare Rajesh ji. Sir, hi sir, I'm from Vidyal. Hi da. Good to see you here. Okay, simple Babu. See what I need here. In a alpha plus pi by 4 venu. Alpha plus pi by 4. Sin square of alpha plus pi by 4. But actually there is not alpha plus pi by 4. That is basically theta plus pi by 4. Konjam typing mistake irukida. Okay. This is theta. This is theta. Okay. What is this? Theta. theta plus pi by 4 is equal to dash. Sine of theta plus pi by 4, sine square of theta plus pi by 4 with sigma, which means what? 1 time 0, 1 time root 1 by root 2, 1 time minus 1 by root 2. So I'll write the final answer over here. Everybody look at the board, guys. Everybody look at the board. Everyone. Yes, sir. So final answer is sine square iriki. So now 0 square plus 0 square. Okay, next. Minus 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay, next 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Total answer how much now? 1 plus 1. Answer was the 2. This is the answer. Yes or no? Very good Rajesh. Rajesh ji, very good Rajesh ji. Very good Rajesh ji. Answer was the 2. 2 is the answer. Math lover daily I'll post it. Don't worry, we will never stop. Regular content irukunda kandipa. Okay, we will put the videos regularly. Regular. That's it. Okay. Sir, you want me to explain the solution part again? Everybody look at the board, guys. Those who did not watch the previous lecture, kandipa neenga watch pannanum. See, I'll explain in the next slide. Wait. Okay. So enna vandiruchira paru. So enna kuduthirukanga paru. Theta belongs to 0 to, everybody look at the board. Theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? 0 to 2 pi தான. So ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். Theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. So now பாரு எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Theta plus pi by 4 வேணும். நமக்கு Theta plus pi by 4 வேணும். This belongs to what? 0 plus 0 க்கு pi by 4 ஆட் பண்ணா pi by 4. 2 pi க்கு pi by 4 ஆட் பண்ணா 9 pi by 4. நல்லாவே புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் please. See, those who did not watch this lecture, okay, நீங்க கண்டிப்பா you should watch the previous lecture. That is very important. Those who did not watch this lecture, I mean part 1, kandipa you should watch that. Okay, so for enakku idu venum enna venum enakku sine of sine square of theta plus pi by 4 with sigma where x belongs to theta belongs to okay, idana theta belongs to s, idu venum namalku idu venum. Okay va, see I got theta plus pi by 4. Okay va, sine of theta plus pi by 4 with square. Okay va, so what we got here? Sine of theta plus pi by 4 vande 1 time 0 vandiruchida. Sine of theta plus pi by 4 1 time enna vandiruchida? Minus 1 by root 2. So now nallave paru. So now sine of theta plus pi by 4 enna vandiruchida? Pi by 4 vandu 1 by root 2 vandiruchu. Okay va, so this was giving me two solutions. So is two solutions. How this is two solutions? And this is two solutions, sir. Guys, எத்தனை solution? Number of solutions கண்டிப்பா ரொம்ப important. Okay வா, அது தெரியலனா I wouldn't have known that. Okay, 1 by root 2 times square பண்ணனும் எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? Are you getting the point? Within this range in the range this guy giving me two solutions each. Okay வா, total 6 solutions. இப்போ எப்படி சார்? நல்லா பாரு. Okay, so pi by 4 pi by 4 is this da. This pi by 4 da. This is pi by 4. This pi by 4. Okay, pi by 4 is the dotted line. So I will start from here and all the way one rotation happens in this direction. Okay va, this pi by 4 na this pi by 4. This green line is pi by 4 and 9 pi by 4 include panna kudadu. 9 pi by 4 kita open bracket irukku. Started from here pi by 4 one full circle la 2 pi. Pi by 4 ku 2 pi add panni paru. Pi by 4 plus 2 pi add panni paru. 9 pi by 4 thana varum. Thirupi inga da start aganum. Purida? Inga start ayichda and this will end over here. Ena pi by 4 ku 2 pi add panna 9 pi by 4 vandiruchu. Nice sir. Ipo idhula namalukku sin theta plus sin வந்து 0. Sin எப்போ 0 ஆகும்? So sin will be 0 on sin will be 0 at 0. Sin 0 is 0. I mean at this particular point, whatever this point is, in the point ki sin வந்து 0 ஆகும். Yes or no? And x axis மேல இருக்க எல்லாமே sin 1 pi 2 pi 3 pi 4 pi எல்லாத்துக்கும் sin வந்து 0 ஆகும். Okay வா? So we get two solutions obviously. Yes or no? Now in the green color line ku paatha, green color line ku x axis ku ethana solutions irukku idu. So in the 2 point kitta sin வந்து 0 ஆகும். Now sin theta plus pi by 4 into minus 1 by root 2 minus sin of something. Let us take this as alpha for a while. For sin alpha is negative, Sin alpha is negative, or else you take this as alpha. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so sin alpha 0, inge sin 0 0, sin 0 0, and sin ఇది 0 పోయినోడా theta ಒಂದು minus pi by 4, so minus pi by 4 theta 0 ಆಯಿರು, ಇದನ್ನ minus pi by 4 theta 0, theta minus pi by 4 no ఇది 0 ಆಯಿರು. Are you getting the point? And now sin alpha is 0 means alpha should be what? This is alpha. Okay, wow. So this guy should be 0. Alpha should be what? 0. Alpha should be pi. Alpha should be 2 pi, 3 pi. 3 pi wavena because 2 pi is the last. Okay, wow. So alpha plus theta plus pi by 4 0 agona, theta nahi rahu minus pi by 4 rahu. Okay, appo theta rahu pi minus pi by 4. Okay, wow. 2 pi minus pi by 4. At all these points, this will be 0. Now sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2 means sin negative in a quadrant. Sin negative in a quadrant. So sin negative na third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Appo ingoro solution. I am getting one solution here and here one solution. Two solutions in total. For sin theta plus pi by 4 1 by root 2. Sin positive. Which quadrant? First quadrant and second quadrant. First quadrant and second quadrant. First quadrant already here one solution. And second quadrant ingoro solution. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 total 6 solutions. 2 2 2, and the 6th solution na what I need to do, enakku sin square of this way now, so 2 times I'm getting 0 square plus 1 by minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus, are you all getting the point? Okay, so let me do this. Okay, next 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. இதெல்லாம் add பண்ணா நமக்கு 2 வரும். Okay, wow. This is how we do it. Yes or no? I gave a proper explanation, okay, for this question. Yes. Static, yes da. No problem. Static I will take next class da. Hi Brajesh. Hi Brajesh. Please. You have to be patient. You have to be patient and stay tuned. Okay. So then only you will be able to crack the exam. You will be able to solve the questions. So you will study half and then leave half of the leave in between the class na appadina workout agad. Ungalku da loss. Okay, wow. Class ku nadulo leave panadingida. Okay, so stay tuned till the final question of the video. Then only there will be something productive for you guys. Otherwise, it is not going to work for you if you are leaving in between. Okay, Divakar ji. Good evening, Divakar ji. Okay, sir. Next, trigonometric of the type. Okay. Type of trigonometric functions. What? Sum to product. What I'm going to tell me? Sum to product. They'll be giving the sum. You need to convert into sum to product. Okay, wow. Sin C plus sin D mari. Example pathina bar. For example, you will be given with this. Sin x plus sin 4x is equal to 4. Something like this. Okay, wow. Is equal to 1. Something like this. If sin C plus sin D. So we need to apply what? Apply sin C plus sin D formula and proceed. Okay, wow. So let's see what kind of question they'll ask and what kind of question they asked. Okay, wow. This is JEE 2021 pare. Either type da. Either variety. Sir, you are showing an answer, sir. Okay. I should have closed it, but anyway. Okay, guys. Look at the board, everyone. Inga pathina pare. Sir, solving the equations of transforming sum of trigonometric into a product. Okay. So basically this is what the question. This is not the question. This is not the question here. This is not the question. This is the question. Okay, this is the question. Question pari. The sum of all the values. The sum of all the values of x in 0 to 2 pi. In 0 to 2 pi. For which sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x plus sin 4x is equal to 0 is equal to dash. Are you getting the point? So what they have given, listen the class, very simple da, very simple. In the money questions are very famous. Sin x plus sin 2x plus, sir in the model la question வந்துச்சுன்னு எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்றது, நம்மளோட அப்ரோச் எப்படி இருக்கணும், என்ன கான்செப்ட் அப்ளை பண்ணணும், okay, without making any mistakes. Sir International Mathematical Olympiad, any tips? Okay, wait watch into International Mathematics Olympiad வேணுமா? See guys, look at about everyone. So tell me, what are the angles I supposed to take? What are the angles? You follow our channels, the Vedantu channel, they are training for that particular exam. நீங்க வந்து அங்க போய் follow பண்ணுங்கடா, ஓகேவா? So tell me here, everybody look at the board. இப்போ என்ன எடுக்கணும், what are the angles I should take? Tell me. So we need to select these two angles because x plus 4x 5x and 2x plus 3x என்ன 5x. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள் செலக்ட் பண்ணணும். Select these two and these two. Yellow color ticks and pink color ticks. Pari. So now sin x plus sin 4x I am writing together. Next sin 2x plus sin 3x I am writing together. Okay, wow. Because sum of angles is same da. Pari. So sin c plus sin d is not 2 sin c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2. Sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2 plus next 2 sin c plus, oh what did I write here? What did I write here? Sin 2x 3x. Okay, then cos is equal 0 கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. Yes or no? Tell me, இது புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Did you all get the point? Any doubts here? Sir, no doubt sir. No doubt sir. Wonderful. So now tell me here 5x by 2 by the sin c plus d means, okay, sin 2 sin 5x by 2 idenda cos 3x by 2 plus in the 2 cancel இப்படி பண்ண கூடாது, that is wrong. இது angle இருக்கு, இது முன்னாடி இருக்கு, so don't cancel like that. Sin 5x by 2 and next cos of minus x by 2, cos of minus x by 2, cos of minus theta வந்து cos theta. So அதனாலவே cos x by 2. So tell me here, I can take 2 sin x by 2 common here. I can take 2 sin x by 2 common. Super sir. So 2 sin x by 2 common எடுக்கலாமா? Wonderful sir. இது ரெண்டுமே common எடுக்கலாம். இந்த ரெண்டு terms common எடுத்தா என்ன வரும்? 2 sin of 5x by 2. So bracket குள்ள cos c again cos d மாதிரி இருக்கு பாரு. Cos c plus cos d மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லையா? Super sir. Chintu பாரு Chintu. Cos c plus cos d மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லையா? So cos c plus cos d எப்படி சார்? So 2, I'll do one thing, wait, I'll write here. So 2 sin of 5x by 2 as it is. Okay, again 2 cos c plus d by 2. Okay, cos c minus d by 2. Correct? Is equal 0. Hi Srivash. Hi Srivash, how are you Srivash? Please listen the class ra Srivash. Srivash babu. இங்க பாரு, c plus d by 2. d by 2 means what? கீழ 4 வரும். Please listen the class. கீழ 4 வரும். இங்க என்ன 4 வரும். Please be careful here. புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது? Okay, கீழ 2 by 2 4 na. நல்லா புரியுதா? sin c plus d by 2 by 2, c minus d by 2 by 2, that's why 4. Please நல்லா பாரு. Okay, நல்லா formula நல்லாவே apply பண்ணி you need to understand this, right? So look, next எப்படி, what should I write now? Tell me. This can be written as what? 2 sin 5x by 2 as it is. Okay, next இதெல்லாம் 4x. இதெல்லாம் உள்ள என்ன வரும்? உள்ள 2 cos 4x by 4 which is x, 2 cos x into cos x by 2 into cos x by 2 is equal to 0 sir. Okay வா, இது வந்துருச்சு இப்போ. Okay, so here very simple logic. என்ன logic பாரு sir, இப்போ sin 5x by 2 0 or cos x is equal to 0 or cos x by 2 is equal to 0. Okay va? Okay, now sin 5x by 2 is equal to 0 na, so we can write 5x by 2 is equal to n pi. If you Rama, you know n pi. Array sin, what is the sin can be 0 for every n pi da. Are you getting the point? Sin can be 0 for every pi, for even all the integral pi values. Sin will be 0 for all the integral pi values. Sin 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus 2 pi, ellame 0 da. That's why I'm writing like that. Okay va? Ipo idu correct ah pathina enna varum? We need to find out x values. We need to put different values of n and find out the value of x which fits in the domain of this, which fits in the region they have given. But in the interval of 0 to 2 pi கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. So நம்மளோட ஆன்சர் எங்க இருக்கணும்? 0 to 2 pi நடுவுல இருக்கணும். அப்ப எத்தனை ஆன்சர்ஸ் வரும்? அது மாதிரி ஆன்சர்ஸ். How many answers you will be getting like that? Nagarajan, are Nagarajan 4 ah, denominator 4 ah, denominator 4 only I wrote, check. Denominator 4 only I wrote, into nalla pari. Appo x is equal to 2n pi by 5. Correct. X is equal to pari. X is equal to 2n pi by 5. Okay. Inga na, sir. Cos x is equal to 0. Cos is 0 for every odd multiple of pi. Odd multiple of pi by 2. So 2n plus, let me write like this way. Cos x is equal to 0 means cos x is equal to 0 for every odd multiple of pi. For every odd multiple of pi. So 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Tell me. Oh, this should be x, not cos x. X is equal to now. For every odd multiple of pi, cos will be 0. For cos 1 pi, cos 3 pi by 2, sorry, cos y by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, cos 5 pi by 2. N values, different values. N values are what? Different integers. Okay, n place la different integers pota namalukku cos will be 0. Cos 1 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, cos 5 pi by 2, cos 7 pi by 2, all integral multiple of pi by 2 will be giving you 0. N could be an integer here. Okay, so now tell me here. So this is what I got x. This is what I got now. Okay, this is what I got. Now cos x is equal to 0 and next one more step enna, here cos x by 2 can also be 0 na. Cos x by 2 0 means nalla pari x by 2 is equal to what again? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So இந்த 2 cancel பண்ணிக்கலாம். 2 cancel பண்ணா நமக்கு இது ஒரு ஆன்சர் வரும். ஓகேவா? இது ஒரு ஆன்சர் வரும். இப்போ நல்லா பாரு. ஓகே, இது வந்துருச்சா? இப்போ இது ஒரு சொல்யூஷன், இது ஒரு சொல்யூஷன், இது ஒரு சொல்யூஷன். Now I'll just tell you something here. I'll tell you something here, பாரு. So x is equal to 2n pi da. X is equal to 2n pi. அப்போ n பிளேஸ்ல என்ன போடணும்? Tell me. n can be 0. ஓகேவா? n வேல்யூ 0 போட்டா 0, n வேல்யூ 1 போட்டா 2 pi. Yes or no? n value 1 put as 2 pi. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Very good, sir. X is equal to, wait. X is equal to n pi na. So 0 comma 2 pi solutions. Next, x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 வந்துருச்சுடா. அப்போ n value 0 போட்டா ஒரு solution n value 0 போட்டா pi by 2 வருமா? Pi by 2 lies in this range. n value 1 போட்டா 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 na, 5 pi by 2 will be, no, n value 1 pota 3 pi by 2, sorry, n value 1 pota 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 lies here, n value 2 pota 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 வந்து out of the range இது வராது. Next, okay, next என்ன? X is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi da. இந்த 2 cancel ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லையா? So x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. இப்போ x value 0 போட்டா x value என்ன? 1 pi. X value 1 போட்டா 3 pi. 3 pi வரக்கூடாது. Okay, x is equal to only pi. So sum of all the values of x. Sum of all the values of x. Sum of all the values of x. So tell me, these are x values da. These are x values. These are x values. Nalla pari. So sum of all this means what da? So is not 4 pi, 3 pi by 2 plus 4 pi by 2 means 2 pi. 2 pi plus 2 pi how much? 4 pi, 5 pi I am getting. 5 pi is not matching. 5 pi is not matching. 5 pi is not matching. Check. but I feel the interval should be 0 to 2 pi correct only. 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. X value pi da. Two. Oh. Wait. I think I took something wrong here. Wait. Take 2 n pi by 5. Sorry, here pi by 5. My bad. So n value 1 pota per n value 1 pota 2 pi by 5. Okay, n value 2 pota 4 pi by 5. Yes or no, guys? Here by 5 should come da. By mistake I wrote that. Okay, so 4 pi by 5 and then 4 pi by 5 kappa pi 5 pi by 5. Yes or no? Tell me. N value 2 pota 4 pi by 5. 5 pota 2 pi will come. 5 pota 2 pi will come. Yes. So 2 pi 0 2 pi by 5 4 pi by 5. Okay, wow. Okay. Yes or no? Correct? Everything is correct now? Yes, sir. Now sum we are asked. We are asked to find out sum. So 0 plus 2 pi by 5 plus 4 pi by 5 plus 2 pi. Okay. Plus pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 plus pi. Check. So 6 pi by 5, 8 pi by 5. Yeah. Yes, 6 pi by 5 also will come because 6 pi by 5 means what? 36 into 5 within the range. Yes, 6 pi by 5 will come. N value 0 pota 0, 1 pota 2 pi by 5, 2 pota 4 pi by 5, 3 pota 6 pi by 5. Yes, 3 pota 6 pi by 5, 6 pi by also 6 pi by should come. Wait. I think we made a mistake here. Okay. Just a minute. We need space, so let me type this. Okay. Yes. Just a minute. I'm writing everything again. Okay. X is equal to 2n pi by 5 da. So x value 0 will come. 2 pi by 5. X value 1 pota idi. So 2 pota 4 pi by 5, 3 pota 6 pi by 5, 4 pota 8 pi by 5, 5 pota 2 pi I know. So 5 pota 2 pi. 2 pi you include panikla because 2 pi irukku. Okay, either possibility. Next x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right? Okay, so x value 0 pota, n value 0 pota x n I know pi by 2. N value 1 pota 3 pi by 2. N value 2 pota 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 will be crossing the given limit. So x is equal to what? 2n plus 1 into pi. Okay, x value, n value 0 pota pi. N value 1 pota 5 pi. So 3 pi. So 3 pi cancel because this will be going beyond the limit. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Okay. Arey yaar, 1 minute. Again it's went off. Okay, yes. X is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, next, if 5 pi by 2 varakudadu. Now x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi kenna. Pi v 5 pi. Okay, 5 pi varlama. Tell me, n value 1 pota 5 pi varakudadu. 3 pi should come. 3 pi varakudadu. So add all this. Add panna 2 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5, 6 pi by 5. Okay. Here you can just write what 6 pi by 5. 6 pi by 5 plus 8 pi by 5 plus pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 plus pi. Okay, wow. I need to add all this. So now 6 plus 6 12 20 pi by 5, so 4 pi, 4 pi, ingo 2 pi, 6 pi. Are you getting the point? Total I am getting what? 4 pi plus 2 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi I am getting, 9 pi. I missed 1 pi, 8 pi, or 2 pi we missed here. Here 2 pi also will come, not 2 pi. 2 pi should also be included. Here 2 pi also should be included. Total 9 pi will come. Total 9 pi. B for 𝒉𝒐𝒏 is the right answer. B for 𝒉𝒐𝒏 is the right answer. Purida? Yes. Konja space kami irukku. Please understand what I am doing. So these are the 3 solutions. In the 3 solutions, if you put different values of n, different x values will come. Out of some we need to find out. Simple question only. Next trigonometric type. Next type of trigonometric equation. Next type of trigonometric equations. Now what I am going to do, now sum, inga pathina sum to product. Now product to sum. Okay va, inga paru product to sum. Next pathina product to sum. Next type product to sum. Product to sum andechina paru. Product to sum means what? You will be given with something like this: 2 cos A cos 2 cos A cos 2 cos alpha cos beta. This will be given to us 2 cos alpha cos beta na. So cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay va, and mari formulas apply paranu. Ipo ninga correct ah pari inga pari. So if m and n respectively the number of positive and negative values of theta in the interval this, that satisfy the equation this, then m into n is equal to dash. Mn the positive values of theta, n negative values of theta. So the number of possible values of n, number of possible values of m and number of possible values of n. Okay, we need to find out and multiply that. Mn positive values of theta, n negative values of theta. So same thing, interval given, ఇది modify பண்ணனும் எப்படி? So guys look at the body given. Can I multiply and divide by 2 here? Not multiply divide by 2, multiply with 2 on both sides. So for 2 cos 2 theta into cos theta by 2 is equal to 2 cos 3 theta cos 9 theta by 2. இப்போ 2 cos A cos B மாறி இருக்கா இல்லையா? Yes. கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா பண்ணனும், calculation கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா பண்ணனும். Okay, so 2 cos A cos B form लेना, cos A plus B cos A minus B pari. So cos A plus B 2 theta plus half, so 5 theta by 2 cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So 2 half enna 1.5, right? So 2 cos A cos B na, so cos how much here 6, so 15 theta by 2 into cos minus 3 theta by 2 means cos 3 theta by 2. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Clear? Super sir. இப்போ இங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா I can do something very important here. Can we cancel cos theta by 2 on both sides? இது plus நடுவுல plus வரும், into நடுவுல plus அப்போ இது cancel ஆயிரும் சார். Cancel ஆயிடுச்சுனா என்ன சார்? So cos 5 theta by 2 is equal to cos 15 theta by 2 வரும். So can we apply cos theta is equal to cos alpha? General angle formula என்ன? Okay, let me take this as alpha and theta. Okay, so let us take this as theta. Okay, and let us take this as alpha. So cos theta is equal to cos alpha means formula na. So theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Yes sir, general angle, general solution. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha na. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So this is the general solution formula. Yes, Flora. Hi Flora. How are you Flora? So take one time plus, one time minus. 2n pi plus 15 theta by 2. Theta is equal to 2n pi minus 15 theta by 2. Okay, wow. So tell me now, if I take different values of n, what I am going to get? If I take different values of n and take the values within the given limit. Okay, wow. Minus pi to pi kuduthirukanga. Flora U7UO. Yes. Yes, this is live only ma. This is live only bro. Yes. So tell me here. So 2n pi is equal to what? 2 theta means how much? Minus 13 theta by 2. Okay. So n pi is equal to how much? Minus 13 theta by 4. Minus 13 theta by 4. Okay. So 2n pi is equal to what? 18 theta by 2, which is 9 theta. Okay, wow. Clear? Answer 100. PVR King is saying answer 100. How many of you are getting 100 as answer? Da? How many of you are getting 100 as answer? Here 5 theta by 2 actually. I took something wrong. 5 theta by 2 na here. 5 theta by 2 da. 5 theta by 2. Okay. So we are taking theta. It's 5 theta by 2. It's 5 theta by 2. Correct? So 5 theta by 2 is 5 theta by 2. Okay. Now tell me here. So 2n pi is equal to minus 2 pi. Okay. Or minus 5 pi. Minus 5 pi. Minus 10 pi. Minus 10 pi by 2 means minus 5 theta. Yes or no? So this is what I am getting. Now tell me here. N. You take different values of n, different you will get values of theta. So theta and tell me 2n pi by minus 5. Yes or no? 2n pi by minus. I will do once more. I didn't get it. You will do one more. Yes. Do it. No problem. Do it one more. No problem. Do it. Yes. Once more. Clear? If I take plus, what I am going to get? If I take plus, what I am going to get? If I take minus, what I am going to get? 2n pi. Sir, I have one doubt. But which is a small angle, sir? Which is a small angle? If you take this theta, I am getting like this. If you take this theta, what I am going to tell me here? 20 theta by 2 is equal to 2n pi. Okay, wow. So 2n pi is equal to 10 theta. Okay, theta is equal to 2n pi by 5, which is theta is equal to what? N pi by 5. I am getting this. If I put different values of n value 1 means what? Minus 2 pi by 5, minus 2 pi by 5, minus 4 pi by 5. Answer is 25. PVR King is saying answer 25. Is it matching with everyone? Is it matching with everyone, guys? Check. I am getting minus 2n pi by 5 and here 10 pi by 5. Take different values of n pi. So n value 0 pota 0. Okay. N value 1 pota minus 2 pi by 5. 2 pota minus 4 pi by 5. 5 pota minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi varakudadu. Okay, and this tell me n value 1 pota 0 1 2 3 4 and then 5 pota pi. Correct? So I am getting how many values? Minus pi to pi we should take. Minus pi to pi, yes. I am getting 6 values. No. It's not matching. It is not matching, Rare. So can you check the calculation again once? Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. 7 by 2.5. 2.5 is 1.5. Guys, here alpha should be the small angle. As per alpha should be the small angle. But this 7.5 is 2.5. Now alpha is theta. Okay va. So as per the logic, look at the board. If we made one mistake, any mistake lema, what is the mistake? I'll tell you. Look at the board, everything is correct, process everything is correct, but one small mistake, that small mistake lead us, that small mistake will be giving us wrong answer. I'll tell you why. See, this is a small angle, this is a small angle, so we take it as alpha, you take this as theta. Okay, so now which is alpha? Which is alpha should be the small angle, 5 theta by 2. 5 theta by 2 is alpha. 5 theta by 2 is alpha. So form lena. So tell me, alpha theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2n pi plus or minus 5 theta by 2. Correct? So tell me here, 15 theta by 2 is equal to 2n pi plus 5 theta by 2. When I am taking plus minus, okay, I will take minus case. 15 theta by 2 is equal to 2n pi minus 5 theta by 2. Okay, inga pathina 10 pi base of 5 theta. Correct? So 10 is 10 by 2 5 theta 2n pi. Okay, enakku theta value 2n pi by 5. Okay, so n value 0 pota 0, 1 pota 2 pi by 5, 3 pota 6 pi by 5, 4 pota 1 2 3 pota 6 pi by 5. Yeah, 0 1 2 means 4 pi by 5 will come now. 4 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5, 3 pota 6 pi by 5. Okay, 5 pota 8 pi by 5. 8 pi by 5 means what? It will cross that. Check. Now 6 pi by 5, will it be right? Will it be right? Check. 0 1 2 3 4. 4 means what? 8 pi by 5. 8 pi by 5. Pi by 5 means what? 36. 36 8s. Okay, check. You forgot to divide by 2. Don't forget. So 10 theta. Okay, is it 10 theta is equal to 2n pi. 2 1s 2 5s. Theta is equal to n pi by 5. Correct or not? Guys, sir, can I put minus theta also here? I mean, can I put minus 1? Are babu, this is crossing 180 da. This is crossing 180. Okay, this is also crossing 180. Now what I am going to do? I will do simply one logic for it. So minus 2 pi by 5 also will come here, and minus 4 pi by 5 also will come here. Puriya? Yena minus 4 pi by 5 which lies in minus pi to pi only. Okay, va idikku taandi pokudadu, idikku taandi pokudadu. So total we are getting 5 values here, right? So if I take 0 pi by 5, 1 pi by 5, 0 pi by 5, 2 pi by 5, 3 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5. Okay, next negative la. So minus pi by 5, minus 2 pi by 5, minus 3 pi by 5, and minus 4 pi by 5. Check. Minus 3 pi by 5, minus 4 pi by 5. All these values are lying in this. Okay, ba. Itna positive angles we are getting now. Total positive angles are 5 and negative angles are 5. Correct? There are total 5 positive angles. Rajesh is saying, see, you can count anywhere. Da. You can count anywhere. Pi also will come. Pi also will come. So if you put 5, this will be pi. Okay, here minus pi also will come. Okay, so 0 neither positive nor negative. So what I will do here, listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So m value na, m is equal to 5 positive answer. N is equal to na, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is also 5. So m into n is 25. So why are you not counting zeros? 0 neither positive nor negative. 0 on m la edukano, n la edukano. Appadi solla mudiyadhu. So neglect 0. So positive on the 5, negative on the 5. 5 into 5, 25. 25 should be the answer. 25 should be the answer. Clear? Yes, sir. Next. Okay. Next type of trigonometric equation, solving by comparing range on both sides. On both sides. Okay. Comparing the range on both sides. Okay, sir எப்படி சார் கம்பேர் பண்றது? How do we compare range on both sides and solve பண்ணணும்? How do we compare the range on both sides and solve? Okay, so இதுக்கு புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும் guys? You need to put different values again and check whether the answer fitting in the range or not. அது fit ஆயிடுச்சுனா கவுண்ட் பண்ணணும், fit ஆகலனா delete பண்ணணும். Okay, yes sir. Next, let us do this question. Everybody look at the board. Okay, let us do this question. Okay, sir, the number of solutions of the equation this. Number of solutions of this equation. How do we do this? Look at the board. 4 sin square x minus 4 cos cube x plus 9 minus 4 cos x is equal to 0. X வந்து minus 2 pi and 2 pi da. Okay va? Sir, can we convert the entire equation in terms of one trigonometric function? The full trigonometric equation is clear, so you need to convert in terms of one trigonometric function. How do you convert it to one trigonometric function? First, you write sin square x or 1 minus cos square x. Look at the board. 1 minus cos square x. I think you can be able to do this. This is one the homework for you all. Sir, if you quadratic perfect square panna, you will get an answer. That's it. Okay, wow. Quadratic perfect square. When actually, I have a brilliant method. Wait, what I am telling now. So both sides, right hand side and left hand side range compare panni answer solano. Eppadi compare pandrathu? So tell me here, 4 minus 4 cos square x minus 4 cos cube x plus 9 minus 4 cos x is equal to 0 irukida. So ipo minus 4 square x minus 4 cos square x minus 4 cos cube x minus. So now ellathime right hand side shift panna ippudu varum pari is equal to 13. Check. Now I'll tell you one thing. Yeah, pari this one, this one, this one, everything shifted to the right hand side. Appo left side now 9 plus 4 which is 13. Now guys, ivoda maximum value enna tell me da? Ivoda maximum value vandu 12. Maximum value vandu 12. Maximum value enna 12. Left side oda maximum value da 12. Appo right hand side vandu 13 irukida. How come 12 is equal to 13? So answer vandu 0. Not possible. So number of solutions na 0. Number of solutions na 0. Simple. Purida? Sir, eppadi sir? Puriyala sir. Are babu, cos x oda maximum value enada? 1. And the 1 poti paru. 4 plus 4 plus 4 12. Left hand side, in the left hand side oda maximum value 12 da. In the right hand side 13 irukki. How come 12 will be equal to 13? Can 12 be equal to 13? Possible? Think pari 100% not possible. Yena ivoda maximum value da 12. Eppadi? How are you showing sir? Maximum value vandu 12. Are x, see cos x oda maximum value 1. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 1 4. So 3 times 4 not 12. 12 is equal to 13 solra. So not possible. As yes or no? So 0 possible answers. This is again brilliant question. Pari. Super ana question pari. Sir, number of solutions. All these are p by q's. All these are p by q's. You can find this p by q's anywhere. This is super question. Beautiful question, you know. Beautiful question. Yes or no? Jupurra. Yeppurra. Rajesh Babu. Yeppurra. Right. Cos x for maximum value 1 na. So that's why it is 12. Okay. Try this. X is a complex number. X is not a complex number. We are talking about real solutions. Okay, we are not talking about complex solutions now, we are talking about real solutions. So only real numbers we should take. Okay, chalo sir, how will we do this question? Everybody listen the class. Okay, So sin to the power of 7x plus cos to the power of 7x is equal to 1. X belongs to 0 to 4 pi and number of solutions we need to find out. Guys, whenever you get this type of questions, we always need to understand one thing. Okay, is that clear? We need to understand one point. Listen to the class. Here sin to the power of 7x is lesser than or equal to sin to the power of 2x. Yes sir. How? See, this plus this is equal to 1 value now. Can I know that sin square? We know this. What do we know here? We know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This plus this is equal to 1 agana. This should be sin square x, this should be cos square x. Simple. Now in that case, I am saying this guy lesser than or equal to this guy. Eppadi sir lesser than? Within the range, within the domain given to us, 0 to 4 pi kuduthirukanga. So x value 30 edukala. Let us take any value. Let us say 30. 0 pota sin 0 is equal to 0 na. 0 lesser than or equal to 0 is a valid statement. Kandipa we can take this way, 100% correct. 30 pota sin 30 how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to the power of 7. 1 by 2 to the power of 4. 1 by 2 to the power of 2, sorry. 1 by 2 to the power of 7 is 100% lesser than 1 by 2 to the power of 2. So sin to the power of 7x should be lesser than sin to the power of 2x. Okay, wow, sir, x value you take anything. 30 you take. Sin 30 and 1 by 2. Solve pani par 1 by 2 to the power of 7 is lesser than 1 by 2 to the power of 2. So now similarly, cos to the power of 7x will be lesser than cos square x. If you add both the power, add pani par, so sin to the power of 7x plus cos to the power of 7x lesser than or equal to sin square x plus cos square x. Do you agree with my point? Which is in fact equal to what, pari? So now I generated one point here. This is a beautiful question. This is the method. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sin to the power of 7x plus cos to the power of 7x lesser than or equal to 1. Super sir. Sir, nalla irukku. Fine. Now 1 aganuna to make this one. To make this one, sin to the power of n, sin to the power of 7x should be equal to sin square x. Cos to the power of 7x should be equal to cos square x. Cos to the power of 7x should be equal to cos square x. Yena, if this is equal to this, I sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1 varu. Ipo, idu eppadi solve pannradhu? Sin square to the power of 7x minus sin square x is equal to 0. So sin square x common edukalama. So which is sin to the power of 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. So sin x is equal to 0, sin x is equal to 0 and sin x is equal to 1. Okay, are you getting the point? But I have one doubt, sir. Sir, can I take sin to the power of 7x as cos square x? No. If you take that, you can't solve this equation. This is a better way to do it. Okay, wow. What I am saying, sin to the power of 7x, can I take cos square x? Then this will be sin square x. Rendum add panna thirupi 1 da varum. But if solve பண்றதுக்கு அது possible ஆகாது. So இப்படி தான் எடுக்கணும். So tell me, similarly solve panna cos x will be equal to what? 0 and cos x will be what? Equal to 1. Okay, wow. So cos will be equal to what? Cos x is equal to 1. இப்போ பாரு. So இது solve பண்ண எனக்கு என்ன வந்துருச்சுடா? This should be equal. Yes, either of sin x is equal to 1 or cos x is equal to 1. Very good, very good. Correct? Okay, sir. Now I have a doubt, sir. I have one doubt. What doubt is sin x equal to 0, sin x is equal to 1. Now vandiruchu, sir. Now cos x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 0 and then cos x is equal to 1 and cos x is equal to 1. Now cos x is equal to 1, everybody look at the board. Sir, simultaneous are true agradhu. Sin x is equal to 0, look at the board everyone. Here I need to take this way. Sin x is equal to 0 and cos x is equal to 1 இருக்கணும். இப்போ guys this 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா பாரு guys, hello everybody, இது 1 ஆகிறதுக்கு sin x is equal to 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா பாரு guys, simultaneously 2 ஆகணும். this should be simultaneously true. ஏனா இப்போ sin x is equal to 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா cos x என்ன ஆகணும்டா, கண்டிப்பா 1 தான். இது 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா இது கண்டிப்பா 1 ஆகணும். then only there will be right hand side 1 possible இருக்கும் பாரு. இது 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா இது கண்டிப்பா 1 ஆகணும். then only it will balance. okay, so sin x is equal to 0 and cos x is equal to 1 இது ஒரு possibility. next, இப்போ sin x is equal to 1 ஆயிடுச்சுனா and cos கண்டிப்பா 0 ஆகணும் பாரு. இது simultaneously true ஆகணும். இது simultaneously true ஆகணும். then only that will be possible. yes or no? yes or no? yes sir. yes or no? yes sir. sir, இப்போ இது x values என்ன, what are the possible values of x? tell me. sin 0 0, cos 0 1, sin pi என்ன 0, but sin pi is not minus 1, அப்போ pi வரக்கூடாது. okay, sin 2 pi 0, sin 2 pi 1, sin 4 pi 0, cos 4 pi 1. okay ba sir, yes sir, pi you are not taking. अरे cos 1 pi போட்டா minus 1 வரும், pi எடுக்க கூடாது. okay ba next, sin 90 and x can be 90 here. cos 90 0, okay, cos 90 0, so x can be 90 here. is our possibility. next, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1 sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, so 5 pi by 2 varnum. sin pi by 2 5 pi by 2 means what? 90 450 means yeah, 4 5 pi by 2, and then what else? 9 pi by 2 can come. 9 pi by 2 means what? 810 is it is crossing beyond that. 910 varakudadu guys, 9 pi by 2 varakudadu. 9 pi by 2 means what? so 810 is crossing the limit, crossing the boundary. so idu edukanu. so total answer is 5 possible solutions. is that clear da? sir, June morning 10 ka class sonanga na class. yes it will be there da, Alexa, hi Alexa. yes date they will announce it. wait, any doubts? tell me here guys, did you all get the point? how are we doing this? This is super logical question da, super logical question. time now 6:25. okay guys, this is the question given to us. I know that, this is the question given to us. we know that this is lesser than this, this is lesser than this. add பண்ணி பாரு, ரெண்டுமே add பண்ணா இப்படி வந்துருச்சுடா. so I'm just playing with this guy now. okay வா, how இது 1 ஆகிறதுக்கு sin to the power of 7x should be equal to this and this should be this. இது சால்வ் பண்ணா sin x equal 0, sin x equal minus 1. இது சால்வ் பண்ணா cos x equal 0, cos x equal to 1. okay வா சார், இப்போ simultaneous true ஆகிறதுக்கு இது 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா 1 ஆகணும், இது 1 ஆயிடுச்சுனா 0 ஆகணும். இப்போ இந்த possible values of x என்ன, இது இங்க possible values of x என்ன, இது. so total I'm getting 1 2 3 4 5 solutions. so 5 is the answer. புரியுதா? கிளாஸ் எப்போ முடியும்? half an hour. okay பாரு, when different type of variables or functions are present. okay va, when different type of functions and variables are present, whenever we have different type of functions and variables are present in the question, please solve பண்ணனும். Alexa, they will tell you the dates. wait Alexa, just a minute na. don't worry about that. we will announce it very soon we are going to start. okay, when different type of angles present, எப்படி பண்றது? இங்க பாரு different type of angles means பாரு, இங்க ஒரு angle இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு angle இருக்கு பாரு. LHL ல பார்த்தா இப்படி இருக்கு, RHL ல பார்த்தா இப்படி இருக்கு. இது எப்படி சால்வ் பண்றது? இந்த மாதிரி क्वेश्चन சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு நமக்கு ஒரே ஒரு லாஜிக். என்ன லாஜிக் அது? சிம்பிள் லாஜிக். see, so 2 cos of x square plus x by 6. 2 cos of x square plus x by 6. now I'll do one thing da. see, simple LHS part is simple, but RHS part is not. guys, if for range and tell me LHS, let me solve LHS. 2 cos square and cos of x square plus x by 6. Okay, இவரோட maximum range என்ன minus 2 to 1 டா, I mean 2 to 2, minus 2 to 2. ஏனா cos குள்ள என்ன angle எடுத்தாலும் நம்மளோட range will be always minus 2 to 2 தான். அது தாண்டி போகாது, 2 தாண்டி போகாது, minus 2 க்கு கீழ வராது. So this is the range of LHS. This is an LHS. இப்போ RHS என்ன சார்? 4 to the power of x plus 1 by 4 to the power of x இருக்குடா. Guys, whenever you have a function அதோட reciprocal இருந்தா நீ வந்து add and subtract 2ab. Okay, wow. If you have something like this, tell me. Something like this. If I add 2ab and subtract 2ab என்ன இருக்கும் பாரு. இது cancel ஆயிடுச்சுனா இது என்னடா? a plus 1 by a whole square மாதிரி. Yes or no? Yes. So minus 2ab மாதிரி. Okay வா? So look at the board everyone. Look at the board everyone guys. Guys, whenever ஒரு function அவரோட reciprocal இருந்தா you add 2ab and subtract 2ab. அப்படி வந்துருச்சுனா it will be easy for you to calculate. பாரு. நீ பாரு. இப்போ எனக்கு 4 power of x இருக்கு, 1 by இது இருக்கு. I am adding 2ab and subtracting this. Subtracting 2 times of this. Check. Pi by 4 வராதா? Pi by 4 எப்படி வரும்டா? No, திவாகர் part 3 கிடையாது. Part 3 கிடையாது. So you do one thing. You take minus here and plus here. Add பண்ணி subtract பண்ணி add பண்ணு பாரு. இப்படி பண்ண என்ன வரும்? This will give us what da? This entire blue color bracket is going to give me what? 4 plus 4 to the power of x plus 1 by 4 to the power of x whole square plus 2 times of this. This is cancel. So chuma 2. Okay, wow. So this will be, this is always greater than or equal to 0. So minimum value na, minimum value na. Your minimum value 2. Your minimum value 2. So what I got now, tell me minimum value of this guy. The minimum value of this guy na 2. Minimum value of this guy is 2. And maximum value in the infinity. புரியுதா? இவரோட minimum value எனக்கு 4 plus 4 to the power of x. Why did you take minus it? Why did you do plus again? And இங்க minus எடுத்தா, இங்க plus எடுத்தா இது will get, oh here minus, wait. இங்க minus. Okay, the minus or plus are check. 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of minus x. Did I do any calculation mistake? Can you please check? Part 3 kadiyadu. There is no part 3. There is no part 3 da. There is no part 3. Okay, minus 1. If you take minus only, it will work. Check. Because I'll tell you one thing da. See, minus edtada, this will be always, because of the square, this will be always greater than or equal to 0. And this will be plus 2. Okay, so your answer. Your minimum value na 2 to infinity. Minimum value na 2. Okay, I'm getting minimum value of the right hand side, which is 2, and the minimum value of the left hand side is a minus 2. Okay, sir, now LHS and RHS balance ஆகிறதுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு logic. என்ன logic? Tell me. இது minimum, இவரோட minimum value tell me. Minimum value of this guy. இவரோட minimum value என்ன? 2. Are you getting the point? இவரோட minimum value 2. எப்ப minimum value 2 ஆயிரும்? X value, everybody look at the board. X value when x is equal to 0, only if x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 போட்டாதா minimum 2 ஆயிரும் பாரு. X value 0 போட்டு பாரு. 4 to the power of 0 1 minus 1 0 square 0 plus 2 2. புரியுதா? சரி, only x value 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா மட்டுக்கு இது என்ன minimum வந்து 2 ஆயிரும். இப்போ x value 0 போட்டு பாரு. x value இங்க 0 guys, இந்த x value 0 ஆயிடுச்சு, இங்க x value 2 போட்டா, அந்த 0 போட்டா 2 cos 0 by 6 என்ன 0. so 2 cos 0 is 1. 2 into 1 2 பாரு. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா guys? இவரோட minimum value will be 2 for x value 0. இவரோட minimum value also 2 when x value is 0. Appo tell me the number of elements in the set this is equal this. Now only one element is satisfying, so answer enna 1. Now solradhu purida, there is only one such x value which make my LHS and RHS equal. Okay va, ore oru value gives me LHS and RHS both equal. Adenna value x is equal 0. You check x value 1 போட்டு பாரு, 1 போட்டா என்ன வரும் 4 to the power of 1 minus 1 by 4. So minimum value 2 வராது. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? This is always greater than or equal to 0. அப்போ இவரோட இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனோட மினிமம் வேல்யூ என்ன 2. இந்த மினிமம் எப்போ 2 ஆயிரும், x is equal 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா x வேல்யூ 2 க்கு மட்டுக்கு மினிமம் வேல்யூ சாரி x வேல்யூ 0 க்கு மட்டுக்கு 2 வரும் மினிமம் ஆன்சர். இப்போ x வேல்யூ 0 போட்டா தான் நமக்கு மினிமம் வேல்யூ வந்துருச்சா, நமக்கு எவ்வளவு வந்துச்சு 2 வந்துச்சு பாரு. x வேல்யூ 0 போட்டா மினிமம் 2 வந்துருச்சு. சார் ஐ ஹேவ் ஒன் டவுட். சோ உங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும் சார் x வேல்யூ 0 தான் வரும்னு பாரு. x வேல்யூ 0 எப்படி வரும்னு I'll tell you this. Guys, இது எப்போ 0 வரும்டா, 4 to the power of x is equal 1 by 4 by x. 4 to the power of x is equal 1 by 4 to the power of x equal to ஆகுனா 10 here. Sir, இப்போ can you write this guys? 4 to the power of minus x. Tell me, bases are same equating the powers. அப்போ இது என்ன இருக்குடா 2x is equal 0. அப்போ x is equal 0 னு வந்துச்சு பாரு. Check. That's why I'm writing x is equal 0. Okay வா, இது minimum value. இப்போ இது is equal இது 0 ஆகிறதுக்கு இது ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் ஆகணும். ரெண்டு ஈக்குவல் பண்ணா எனக்கு x value 0 வந்துச்சு. x is equal 0 is the only possible solution which makes my LHS and RHS equal. Yes or no? Option A is the right answer. Yes, Divakar, JC Divakar Babu. Hello. Yes. Hi Rajesh. Very good. Not any. This is also brilliant question. How do we do this? Everybody look at the board. The sum of all the solutions x belongs to R of the following. X belongs to R. This is a very important condition. Okay. So 3 cos 2x plus cos cube 2x. Denominator cos to the power of 6x minus the wait. Denominator I'm solving here. Cos to the power of 6x minus sin to the power of 6x. இப்படி இருக்கு. So இது சால்வ் பண்ணனும்னா a cube minus b cube ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாமா? a cube a cube minus b cube அப்ளை பண்ணனும். Okay, a cube minus b cube என்ன? a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab plus ab plus ab. Check. Am I correct? A cube minus b cube is a plus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Correct only. Isn't it? Sorry. This a minus b into what did I do here? A minus b daddy. This a minus b. Then cos 2x. A cube minus b cube and a minus b into, right? Okay, cos 2x. Isn't it? Okay, guys. Now trigonometric ratios and identities are not teach pannidida. Cos to the power of x plus sin to the power of 4x can be written as what? 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Nalla padi. Idanna sin square x plus cos square x as it is. Okay va. Ipo neenga nalla paatha idanna cos 2x vandiruchida. Okay, idanna. So 1 minus 2 plus 1, so which is minus 1. ठीक है, we got this. Yes or no? Yes sir. இப்போ denominator வந்து இப்படி வந்துருச்சு, denominator இப்படி வந்துருச்சு, divided by என்ன? Divided by cos 2x into 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. 2 sin square x cos square x means what basically? So 1 minus sin square x cos square x. Very good. Now numerator cos 2x common எடுக்கலாமா பாரு. So 3 plus 1 time of cos 2x or cos square 2x. correct? 100% correct. Now denominator na cos 2x. Cool. So 1 minus sin square x cos square x we need to write like this. Okay. Yes sir. Ipo can I write this as, so cos square 2x can I write 1 minus 2 sin square 2x divided by 1 minus sin square x cos square x. Wonderful sir. 4 minus sin square 2x means what? Sin 2x into sin 2x. Sin 2x into sin 2x means what? 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. So can I write this as 4 times of sin square x cos square x. Super. Divided by what? 1 minus sin square x cos square x. Nalla pari. Careful apari. 4 common edikalama. 4 common edikalama. Are super pari. 1 minus sin square x cos square x. Right? So these two will be cancelled. So what I got? LHS is what? Number LHS on the 4 vandiruchira. So number LHS is 4. So the final what is the equation is going to be now, tell me. The LHS would answer on the 4. So RHS is this. LHS was this. Correct? Yes or no? So number 4 x, if we simplify panna enna x cube minus x square plus 2 is equal 0. This is cubic equation. So this cubic equation I need to erase this. Okay, the cubic equation synthetic division method apply panano. Tell me, synthetic division method apply panano. Synthetic division method. So one root by trial and error method pata xy 1 pota satisfy minus 1 pota xy minus 1 is satisfying pare. X is equal to minus 1 is a root. X is equal to minus 1 is a root. One root I got. Now remaining two roots eppadi kandipidikenu. So x is equal to minus 1 na I'm taking minus 1 is one root here. I'm applying synthetic division method. So synthetic division method na theriyadu sir. Apdi na teach pannadinga sir. Synthetic division method you might have studied. Okay. Adu synthetic division method theriyalana enoda JEE Vaathi channel la enoda lecture la quadratic equations pari. Quadratic equation already na teach panniteda. Okay va? Ha. So ipo correct ah pari. This one will be carried forward. This one will be carried forward. 1 into minus 1 na minus 1. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ பண்ணா minus 2 வந்துருச்சு. ఇది into இது மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 2 வந்துருச்சு. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ பண்ணா 2. இது into இது மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா minus 2. அப்ப இது ரெண்டுமே ஆட் பண்ணா 0. புரியுதா? சூப்பர் சார். ஓகே, இது 0. Now இப்போ can write the given equation as this. This expression can be written as this. X square minus 2x plus 2. Yes or no? Guys, இப்போ நீங்க நல்லா பாத்தீங்கன்னா இவரோட discriminant என்னடா? tell me. Determinant discriminant என்ன? lesser than or equal to 0 பாரு. So b square 4 minus 4ac. Discriminant is less than 0, less than or equal to 0. So this will give us non-real roots. This will give us what are real roots. This is only one, there is only one real root. Okay. So the sum of the real solutions they are asking. Okay, wow. So tell me. So let me write over here. Very good question. Really fantabulous question. Okay. Okay, just let me write over here. Look at the board. This is the denominator part. Okay, now I am solving this over here. So x plus 1 and x square minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So real solutions and x is equal to minus 1 multiple real solution. Okay, this will give us non-real roots. But they have given x belongs to r here. So whatever solution, our sum is minus 1. C for Chintu is the right answer, but C for Chintu is matching. Any doubts? Super question, nalla irukka question guys. Sir, enakku the synthetic division method theriyalana neenga vandu one root by using trial and error method kandipidikanumda. one root by using triangular method. What is triangular method, sir? Oh, x plus 1 is one root. Now tell me, x cube minus x square plus 2. You know long division method, right? The long division panna kandipa ungaloda quotient will be this. Ungaloda quotient will be this. Long division method apply pani paru, you do it. Okay, long division method apply panna quotient will be this. அப்படியே பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ எனக்கு இது தெரியல சார், அப்போ கோஷன் ரூல் அப்ளை நான் லாங் டிவிஷன் மெத்தட் அப்ளை பண்ணு. பட் திஸ் இஸ் கொஞ்சம் லென்த்தி டு சால்வ் இட், டைம் கன்சூமிங்டா. ஸோ சிந்தட்டிக் டிவிஷன் மெத்தட் தெரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா டக்காட்டக் ஃபடாஃபட் கேன் பி டன். பாரு, ஸோ சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி எக்ஸ் கியூப் மைனஸ் 2x ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் 2x okay, so it seems to be fine. Okay, so simplify pani pari, definitely your quotient will be that. Perfectly balancing, check. So sum of real solutions is what? Only -1. Next, guys, now graphically solving means basically simple only. Listen the class. Okay, graphical solving means what I am going to do. See, graphical solving everybody should know da. Sir, first I should know the graphs. Graphically solving means every, see, I'll tell you one thing very simply. Let me take one simple graph. Graphical solving, let me tell you first what is, like, let me talk about two functions now. I'm talking about f of x and g of x. I'm talking about two functions. Okay, f of x and g of x. Let me tell you, this is y axis, is x axis. Okay, wow. There are two functions, something like this, something is our function, and there is another function called this. Okay, two functions. Okay, or you can take this, you know, anything. Sir, neat idea, sir. So కొంచెం నీట్గా డ్రా பண்ணுங்க సార్. ஓகே, இப்படி இருக்கு, something like this, two functions. Okay, wow, sir, diagram is a biology diagram மாதிரி இருக்கு. For making you understand, I'm doing this, please understand. See guys, here number of point of intersection, idanna let's say idi f of x, idanna g of x. Yes or no? Sir, number of point of intersections is equal to number of roots. Okay, wow. So number of point of intersections will always give us number of roots. Don't laugh at the diagram. Arsham is laughing. Right? Into either point of intersection, either point of intersection. Okay, wow. So there are 4 total point of intersection. Either point of intersection. But at this some x value, at this some x value, at this some x value, at this some x value. At these 4 different x values, we get 4 different answers. Okay, wow. எனக்கு 4 point of intersections கிடைச்சிச்சுடா. So 4 solutions. Okay, when these two graphs are intersecting, எனக்கு 4 roots I'm getting. Okay, yes sir. Sir, based on this we'll be doing it. Sir, இப்போ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு graph draw பண்ணுங்க sir. என்ன sir, biology diagram you are drawing. Sir, we are JEE students sir. அப்படினா பண்ணாதீங்க sir. Sorry, I'll tell you one logic. Simple. So let me take y is equal to sin x. Let us take one y is equal to sin x. And let's say y is equal to 1/4 something, anything. Okay, so y is equal to sin x and y is equal to 1/4. சரி, இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க பாரு, கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா sin x graph I know. Everybody look at the Chintu is sure. Sin x graph, how the sin x graph looks like? Tell me, பாம்பு தெரியுமா? பாம்புஜி மாதிரி இருக்கணும். Okay, பாம்பு. It is sir, no, this is one. Okay, இது 1 தாண்டி போக கூடாது, -1 தாண்டி கீழ வர கூடாது. Okay, sin x ஓட ரேஞ்ச் என்னடா, 1 தாண்டி போக கூடாது, -1 தாண்டி கீழ வர கூடாது. அப்ப இது கொஞ்சம் கீழ அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? இது அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணனும்னா let me draw one diagram. Wait. Okay, இப்படி சார் இங்கேயும் வேரியஸ் பண்ணுங்க சார். இங்க பாரு, இதனா hello everyone. இது pi by 2, இது pi, இது என்ன pi 3 pi by 2, இது என்ன 2 pi. Okay, similarly இது 0, இது என்ன minus pi by 2, இது என்ன minus pi. You already know this, right? Then again minus 3 pi by 2 and so on. Okay, sir, now y is equal to 4 they have given. Y is equal to 1 by 4. Y is equal to 1 by 4 line is this. Is another line, sir? Y is equal to 1 by 4 line. Okay, then y is equal to 1 obviously. Correct or not? Yes. Okay, wow. Tell me. Then y is equal to minus 1, sir. Now how many points they are intersecting in so and so interval? For example, I am talking about 0 to 2 pi. X belongs to 0 to 2 pi, for example. X belongs to 0 to 2 pi na. 0 to 2 pi la yaar itna points irukku. 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi itna points of point of intersection irukku. 1 2 3. Okay va. Oh, 3 varala re. This is going beyond 2 pi, so varada. 0 to 2 pi, how many point of intersection between these two? See, sin x and this is y is equal to sin x. Y is equal to sin x and y is equal to 1 by 4. It how many points they are intersecting between 0 to 2 pi? Here 1, this is point. Yes or no? Look at the nalla pare. This point. Idanna. This is crossing 2 pi, but this varakudadu. Okay, only two solutions. Tell me how many points are only two solutions? Sir, 0 also including, sir, 0 also including. 0 only inga paru. 0 also included. But 0 is not 1 by 4 is not intersecting, na? 1 by 4 is not intersecting. Sarvesh, how Sarvesh? Epdi Sarvesh? Yes. Sir, now ஒரு question solve பண்ணா நமக்கு ஐடியா வரும் சார். இந்த question பாத்துக்கலாம். Okay, இந்த question பாத்தீங்கன்னா number of solutions. This is one PYQ da. So I brought one PYQ. The number of solutions of the equation x plus 2 tan x. X plus, who is this guy? X plus 2 tan x is equal to pi by 2. Oh, yes. Typing mistake da one நிமிஷம். கொஞ்சம் ஓவர்லாப் ஆயிடுச்சு. Okay, yes or no? Purida? Yes sir. Sir, if you correct pathina, can I do like this? 2 tan x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 is x. So tan x is equal to what, sir? Can I write tan x is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2? Ipdi panikalama 100%. Sir, yes sir. Ipdi da pananu. Inga pare. What did I do here? We need to convert two different functions, so that I can equate both. பாரு எனக்கு ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாரு, f of x and g of x ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, now if I say f of x is equal to g of x, if I say f of x is equal to g of x பண்ணா, which means you are solving both. ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் எப்போ சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும்டா? f of x and g of x ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் பண்ணாதான் நமக்கு point of intersections will come. Point of intersection என்னன்னா number of solutions or number of roots. Okay, so that is what I am trying to say here. Listen the class. Now tan x on the f of x mari, pi by 4 minus x by 2 on the g of x mari. f of x is equal to g of x graph. Tan graph theriyuma theriyada? Tan graph theriyuma theriyada? Yes sir, nallave theriyum paru. Nallave pari. Okay, next pathina, tan is not defined at 90 and odd multiple of 95. Tan is not defined at 90s. But I want a solution from 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi, I am not interested in LHS graph. Left side graph I am not interested. Only right side graph only I am interested in. Only right side graph I am interested in. Because 0 to 2 pi da solranga. So this 0 is pi by 2. Okay. Next pathina nadula pi will come. இதனா 3 pi by 2. Okay, next பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 pi. Okay வா sir, இப்போ graph 0 க்கு 90 க்கு எப்படி how the graph will be? A is 3 ஆ 0 க்கு 90 க்கு எப்படி graph இருக்கும்? அரே சிண்டு இப்படி தான இருக்கும் graph. 0 க்கு டிஃபைன் ஆகாது. 0 க்கு டிஃபைன் ஆகாத means this is how the graph will be. Pi by 4 means 1a. So பாம்பு S or no, பாம்பு S மாதிரி வரும். S மாதிரி graph. You know this or not? S sorry, S மாதிரி கிடையாது. இது என்னது? இப்படி இப்படி போயிடும் இப்படி. Okay, but I'm not interested in this graph. I'm only interested in this. Okay, till this. Okay, next பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த graph பாரு இப்படி தான போயிடும். இதனா this will pass through pi. Next, okay, this is how the graph will be. This is how the graph will be. Now this y is equal to tan x graph. Y is equal to tan x graph will be. Next, I need to draw the graph of this guy. You know the graph is now pi by 4 minus x by 2. So if x, let us say y is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2 da. Now 9th standard you might have studied in 1947. Eppadi taking x values and y values. X value 0 edutha y value enna pi by 4. Y value 0 edutha x value enna x by 2, so pi by 2 idi. Correct ah? 0 comma pi by 4, pi by 2 comma 0. 0 comma pi by 4, pi by 2 comma 0. Yes or no? Oh, pi by 4 comma pi by 4 rahindi, pi by 2 kadayadu. Y value 0 edutha, this will be you solve it no problem. Pi by 2 only I am getting. Pi by 4 eppadi, but whatever. Pi by 2 I am getting. Okay, now tell me 0 comma pi by 4. 0 comma pi by 4 will be somewhere here. Plot it. 0 comma pi by 4. X value 0, y value pi by 4. Pi by 4 na somewhere here. Okay, next pi by 2 comma 0. Pi by 2 comma 0 means this. But pi by 2 can define agadu. Pi by 2 can define agadu. X value 0, y value pi by 4. Otherwise you do one thing da. Okay, x value 0 edutha, y value pi by 4. Pi by 4 kadiyadu. Pi by 4 only. So 0 comma pi by 4, pi by 4 comma 0. Pi by 4 comma 0 means it will be inga. Pi by 4 will be somewhere here. Correct or not? So either point. Now tell me. So 2 pi length itna points intersect आयेगा. 0 to 2 pi itna points intersect आयेगा पर. Let me draw the diagram like this. Let me just bring this down a bit. Okay. Correct? How many points they are intersecting it? How many points they are intersecting it? Tell me. How many points they are intersecting? Graph. Guys, 2 pi till 2 pi unity see, sir. So you kira graph illa sir. If it is a graph irukku paru nalla paru. How many points they are intersecting it? This one mean how many points? Idu paru 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Total 3 points they are intersecting it. The answer enna 3. A for Ahmedabad. Ippadi draw pannanum. Graph basic graph therinja podunda. Okay va. So tan S graph I have drawn, and in the what is this graph da? This is pi by 4 minus x by 2 graph. Then now y is equal to tan S graph. Y is equal to tan S graph. Yes or no? Very good. Nalla irukku. Super ah irukku. Next. Now inequality based graphs. Trigonometric inequality. Trigonometric inequality means eppadi irukum sir? Trigonometric inequality means eppadi irukum? For example, I am giving an example. Let's say sin x is greater than 1 by root 2. Okay, let's say sin x is greater than 1 by root 2. Sir, same thing sin x graph first draw pani pari. Sin x graph draw pani pari. Sin x graph first draw sin x graph. Pambu. First, before drawing the pambu, I know that sin x cannot be beyond 1. Okay, 1 க்கு minus 1 க்கு நடுவுல இருக்கும். Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes sir. இங்க பாரு. Okay, this is how the sin x graph looks like. Correct or not? Yes sir. Then y is equal to 1. Okay, then y is equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to 0. Okay, then y is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 will be somewhere here. 1 by root 2 will be somewhere here. Okay, y is equal to 1 by root 2, somewhere like this. Okay, now sin x more than 1 by root 2. Sin x more than 1 by root 2 எங்க இருக்கணும்? Tell me. Sin x is more than 1 by root 2. This graph. Everybody look at the board. Sin x is more than 1 by root 2. Sin x என்ன? More than 1 by root 2 பாரு. This graph. Okay. இது shaded graph. 1 by 2 க்கு மேல sin x graph. இந்த ரீஜன் இருக்க கூடாது because this graph is what lesser than this graph is what கீழ இருக்க graph வந்து sin x 1 by root 2 கீழ இருக்கு அது இருக்க கூடாது இப்போ இதையும் இருக்க கூடாது இதையும் இருக்க கூடாது திருப்பி இங்க இருக்கணும் பாரு திருப்பி இங்க இருக்கணும் பாரு again but if I specifically say that till 2 pi இது 2 pi இது pi ஓகேவா இதனா 90 இதனா 3 pi by 2. Okay, 0 to 2 pi la sin x is greater than 1 by root 2 இந்த graph தான் வரும். Only this graph மட்டும் எடுக்கணும். புரியுதா? Yes or no? இப்போ இந்த graph எடுக்க கூடாது. கீழ இருக்க graph எடுக்க கூடாது. ஏனா that is lesser than 1 by root 2. இப்போ திருப்பி again what? இது 2 pi பாரு. நல்லாவே பாரு. நல்லா பாரு. இது 2 pi. 2 pi தாண்டி என்ன? திருப்பி இந்த சைடு பாரு. This is greater than 1 by root 2 after 2 pi. But if I say 0 to 2 pi, the graph is more than 1 by root 2 between from A to beta. This point to this point. Okay, wow. So, this is pi by 4. What is this point? You need to find out this point and this point. So, this point to this point and this point to this point. Okay, wow. It could be any point. Tell me here. What is this point? Tell me. What is this point? Sin x is 1 by root 2. How many? At what point? Pi by 4. Then, sin x pi by 4 put 1 by root. Pi by 4 varadu. Pi by 4. If I say greater than or equal to pi by 4 will come. If I say sin x is greater than 1 by 2 na, it is pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6 and so on. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Clear? Is that clear or not? Tell me that, Chintu. Is that clear or not? Chintu, tell me. Okay, this is pi by 4 you can check. This is 3 pi by 4. Okay, so pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Because sin 3 pi by 4 how much? Cos 45, which is 1 by root 2 only. Check. So pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. There are two intervals. We need to take and answer it. Okay, ba? Yes or no? Tell me. So here pi by 4 to pi, sin x is greater than whenever x belongs to, for all x belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 2 union pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Are you getting the point? For all x belongs to this. Clear? Or else simply you can take the see continuous ஆயிருக்கு sir pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 sir அவ்வளவுதான் pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 இப்படி சொல்லிக்கலாம். Tell me pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 வந்து sin x is more than 1 by root 2. See, this is one logic. And now one more logic என்ன logic, this is the logic, this is the method. Okay, now I can write x belongs to, we can add 2n pi, generalize panna 2n pi plus 1 by 4, 2n pi plus 3 by 4. Okay, so yes, now we'll do one question, we'll understand. Shall we go forward with the question? Guys, if you want to generalize, you can generalize like this. If you, yes, Divakar, very good. If you want to generalize, x belongs to union, where n belongs to integer of obviously 2n pi plus pi by 4 comma 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. இப்படி generalize பண்ணிக்கலாம். X belongs to, okay, union means not merging, mixing everything. Okay, 2n pi plus pi by 4 comma 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. Okay, this is what the generalized statement, generalized interval for this guy. Now we'll solve one question, we'll understand. Okay, not this kind of question, but like in general, how do we do inequality based questions? Pari, என்ன சொல்றாங்கடா பாரு, sin theta, I mean sin 2 theta plus tan 2 theta greater than 0 இருக்குடா. Sin 2 theta and tan 2 theta both are positive. Sin 2 theta plus tan 2 theta. Okay, in what interval? Theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. This super question da, lesson in the class. Theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. All the possible values of this guy, where this guy is greater than 0. Okay, now I'll do one thing, cos sin 2 theta plus tan 2 theta. So let us bring into theta. So trigonometric function, trigonometric functions, trigonometric equations we are seeing da, okay. Solve this, eppadi solve pannu, bring everything in one form. Let me do this. Let us do one thing. Sin 2 theta, can I write this as sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta greater than 0. So let me take sin 2 theta common, then 1 plus 1 by cos 2 theta is positive. So sin 2 theta by, so let us write this again. So 1 plus cos 2 theta by cos 2 theta, okay, greater than 0. Now sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, the 1 plus cos 2 theta is greater than 0. Now tan 2 theta, guys, I have got doubt. 1 plus cos 2 theta formula na 2 cos square theta, correct? Yes. Tan 2 theta as it is, this guy na 2 cos square theta, be careful, 2 cos square theta is greater than 0. Now tell me, this is always positive here, definitely. This is always positive, greater than 0. This is always positive. This is positive. Oh, it is positive. Positive into something which is positive. Positive must be positive. Must be positive. Because this is always positive. This is always positive. Always positive. Which one? This guy. If it is positive, no? Continually positive. Generally positive. Sir, no? Yes. Now, so tan 2 theta is more than 0. Conclusion, now what we got? Tan 2 theta is what? So what we got here? Tan 2 theta positive we got. Tan 2 theta positive. So now they have given, check here. We got this. What they have given? Theta given. Check. Given theta on the 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So given theta on the 0 to 2 pi. About 2 theta in 2 theta belongs to 0 to 4 pi. 2 theta belongs to 0 to 4 pi. Yes or no? 2 theta belongs to 0 to 4 pi. Now 0 to 4 pi la 0 to 4 pi we have to see. In 0 to 4 pi la tan on the positive. Okay. 0 to 4 pi means look at the board everyone. Everybody look at the board, guys. Okay, it is 0. It is pi by 2. It is pi. 3 pi is 2 pi. Okay. It is pi by 2. It is 3 pi by 2. 4 pi means it is 3 pi again. It is 3 pi. Okay, 3 pi is 4 pi. Okay. So what are the intervals I should take? Let me know. What are the intervals I should take? All the possible values of theta they have given. All the possible values of theta. But I got 2 theta. So here tan 2 theta positive. So 2 theta belongs to what? Tell me now. 2 theta belongs to tan 2 theta positive. 2 theta belongs to what? Tell me. Tan positive first quadrant 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Union. Second quadrant is negative again. Pi to 3 pi by 2 I should take. Pi to 3 pi by 2 I should take. Can you all see the board? Yes. Union again pi to 3 pi third quadrant positive again 2 pi to how much here? 2 pi to 5 pi by 2. This is 5 pi by 2. Check. Next 2 pi to 5 pi by 2 positive. Okay, what? 2 pi into 5 pi by 2. Next 5 pi by 2 to 3 pi tan negative. Again 3 pi to what? Idanga 7 pi by 2 adi. Yes or no? 270. Idana 540 plus 90. 630. 7 pi by 2. So 7 pi by 2. Again 3 pi 2 pi to 5 pi by 2, 3 pi to 7 pi by 2. Union 3 pi to 7 pi by 2. Okay, this is what I got. If I take 4 pi again, what happens? Tell me now. Again union from where to where? 7 pi by 2 I got, right? 7 pi by 2 I got. Next yes, I think I got the answer. We got the answer actually. Now we need only theta, possible values of theta. What can I know? 2 theta. We are writing for 2 theta. About theta and arrow. Where the tan will be positive. Please carefully see that. 2 pi to 5 pi by 2 and then 3 pi by 2 to 7 pi by 3 pi by 2 3 pi to 7 pi by 2. I think this is the last, because this is the last. Idikapra varadu yena padi 7 pi by 2 means how much da? 7 pi by 2 means 630. Okay, but I want till 4 pi means what? 540. If you go beyond that, it will cross the limit. Okay, theta I need only theta now. Tell me. So theta this is 2 theta belongs to. Theta belongs to an arrow. Theta belongs to an arrow. Tell me Raj into theta belongs to. Let me write here. Let me write theta belongs to na. Let me write theta belongs to 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Okay, 0 to pi by 4. Guys, theta cannot be 0 because theta cannot be 0 here. Okay, open bracket here. Theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 4 because tan 0 0 0 0 can't be greater than 0. So open bracket. Kandipa open bracket at 0. Kandipa open bracket at 0. Kandipa open bracket at 0 because 0 include panna sin 0 0 tan 0 0 0 can't be greater than 0. Purida? Yes or no? Yes. 0 to pi by 4 and then in the 2 ulla shift pani pada union pi by 2 to union pi by 2 to what? Pi by 2 to the pi by 2 defined agada. Pi by 2 tilpi annada. Pi by 2. Okay, you open. Okay, so tell me pi by 2 na pi by 2 3 pi by 4. Okay, 3 pi by 4 and then union how much? Pi to 5 pi by 4. So tell me where it is matching. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4. Actually B for balle is matching. Everything is open actually. Everything is open here, not close. Why are we writing close? Close varakudadu. Everything is open because if you substitute it back, it won't be matching. Guys, everything is open here, not close. Okay, everything is open. Okay, this will be open only. This will be open. Everything is open here. Open the open. Open. Okay. So 2 pi na pi 5 pi by 4 union 3 pi by 2 comma 7 pi by 4. Okay, wow. Which option is matching da? So B for balle is matching, but in the B for balle option lena, B for balle option la idu vandu 4 is not 2. Typing mistake. This is 4. So B for balle is matching. Check. Are you getting the point or not? To me, I got for 2 theta positive. I mean, tan 2 theta positive. Which quadrant? 0 to 2 pi they have given. 2 theta will be 0 to 4 pi. 0 to 4 pi, like tan is positive in these intervals. 2 theta belongs to this. We need to find out theta. Upon 2 on the shift paran. 2, 0 by 2, pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4. So, B for belly belly is matching. This is how we need to solve it. Inequality based questions. Puriya? Konjam patient ah irukanu solve pandradhukku. Okay, tell me any doubts here. Do you have any doubts? Edadu doubt irundha kelunga. Edadu doubt irundha kelunga, please. Edadu vere edadu doubt irundha kelunga, please. Okay. So I think yeah, clear. Thank you, Divakar. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is how we do this. With this we are done with trigonometric equations part 2. So part 1 plus part 2 we did almost every type of question. Okay, whatever the possibility of getting a question in JEE mains and advanced, everything we covered. Advanced and mains, every point of view, this concept is more than enough. Advanced point of view, see, even for advanced point of view in the concept, and in the level of sums, okay, in the level of formulas, in the level of concept understanding, advanced scheme, this is the syllabus. But now practice. Ninga sums pota da ungalku confidence varum. Podala thiruppi varadu. Okay. So whatever the questions I am just giving as homework here. So you need to try all these questions as homework da. So I give many questions as homework. Okay. So yeah. So last but not least, nee vandu Telegram group join pannanu. Adukku idu QR code. Okay. In the QR code scan panni you can join the Telegram channel. Okay, and marakama in the session subscribe panni, I mean channel subscribe panni. Okay, in the session oda notes and the video ungaloda friends kitta share panni kandipa. Okay, avarkiyum koopittu vaanga next session ki. Okay va, nama ellame vanna sethi dishum will rock it. Okay, so next session will be limits. I want every one of you to revise something from limits and come before joining the class. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to connect the dots. Purida. So that's it from my side today. And is it pre-recorded? No, array. It is not pre-recorded. I is live. Ipo time pada. Time enna idrikku pari. Chintu 7:15 ra time. 7:15 da idrikku. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class with another wonderful chapter called limits. Okay, we'll try to take limits in the next class. So that's it for today, and we'll meet you guys in the next class. Until then, tada bye bye, good night, have a nice day, love you all, my dear Chintos.